Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change notification sounds on your Galaxy A23. So go to settings. On the settings page, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then go to notification sound. Now you can see two SIM cards here because this is a dual SIM Galaxy A23 for Africa. So if I tap on notification sound, as you can see, I can customize notification sounds for the different SIM cards on the phone. So for SIM 1, I can tap on SIM 1, and then of course you can see the different notification sounds. You can even tap to listen. And it's a long list of notification sounds that you can try out, and see what you like. When you get the one you like, as you tap on it, it's going to have this little blue dot on the left. Simply go back, and that's it. You have now set that as the new notification sound. Now, if you have the dual SIM Galaxy A23, you can go ahead and do that for the second SIM card. You can have different notification sounds for the two different SIM cards. Go back, and that's it. That's how to change notification sounds on your Galaxy A23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.